What's the meaning of corpus? Corpus. Corpus.
Corpus. Corpus. In the field of linguistics and natural language processing, a corpus refers to a large collection of written or spoken texts that have been systematically gathered and stored for analysis. Corpora serve as important data sources for linguistic research, language teaching, and text analysis. They can be used to investigate language structure, usage patterns, and change over time. Moreover, they are essential for developing and testing language technologies such as speech recognition and machine translation. Overall, corpora provide valuable insights into how language works in practice and help us better understand human communication.